Hello, little readers. Are you ready to level up your reading skills? Today, we will practice sentences that start with the word she. Let's begin. She likes to talk. Let's read it together again. She likes to talk. Now it's your turn. Great job. She likes to swim. Let's read it together again. She likes to swim. Now it's your turn. Awesome. She likes to sing. Let's do that again. She likes to sing. Now it's your turn. Great job. She likes to run. Let's read it together again. She likes to run. Now it's your turn. Great, you did it. Great job. Remember to keep practicing. I'll see you later.